Hi everyone. Today on Hello Susan we are launching a new journal. I'm going to use the Hello Susan Barn Swallows digital journal kit, and that's what I've got laid out here. I also started the cover. Let me pick that up and move it so we can just look at the pages real quick, and we'll go over that cover too. Barn swallows leave my area for the winter and fly south, and they are back now. So I really love them. Wonder if I can go in a little bit more. Yeah, I think so. That looks better, doesn't it? Y'all can see it better. So here's one of the pages, and right here it says, I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And I just think that picture just makes that whole song verse come to life. And then here is a little barn swallow hanging on a door latch. Got lots of inspirational sentiments. Some are about birds, some are not. Lots of pink in this one. I love this. Fly with all your heart. And this is cute. I think this would be cute if all of these were cut out and actually made that. I may have to look for those images and see if I can recreate that. That would be fun. And here's the nest. This has got some ledger paper behind it. Isn't that pretty? I love barn swallows. They just look so pretty when they're flying around. And then here's some journal cards. And some tags and journal cards and ephemera. And then here's some tags and ephemera, and that's a belly band. And this is a collage. So it's got everything that I used in the kit all together. And then I thought that it might be interesting for you to see my pages that I have picked out to go with the kit. So that's what I have next. And of course I've got all different sizes because I like all different sizes, but we'll just go through them real quick. And I do print fronts and backs. So I'll go ahead and show you the fronts and backs on each one so you can see it. And it's fun. I'm just going to love this one. Of course, pink is so fun to work with anyway, but birds really just get me, and then swallows are fun to look at too. Isn't that pretty? Just tea stained on that one. This one I haven't printed the back of it yet. These are just some neutral pieces because you know you want to have your eye rest a little bit. This is vintage wallpaper and tea stained on the back. Vintage wallpaper again. And of course that's got my filler page that I designed for all my journals. There's some lace on taupe. And some roses. Lots of roses in this kit too. This is one of my background collages. And there's some barn swallows filler page. Have a little bit of green in this one, not too much. And here's a journal page. It says a little birdie told me, and then this one says spread your wings and fly. Tea stained. Some green. Another filler page. And a background That's kind of like a collage, but not quite. Kind of looks like fabric, doesn't it? And then it's got stripes on the back of it. So that's the pages that I'm going to use. I think that's 23. So it makes a pretty good sized journal. I think that comes out to, oh heck, I don't know, 90 something. And now let's take a look at the cover. So this right here is a pillow sham that I had, very small. And I bought it probably 20 years ago, and it came as a set of 3, and they were all different. And I put them in forms and used them for a while. And then I put them up because I was so afraid I was going to stain them or do something to them. So I put them up, and I recently found them, and this is what it looks like. I've inserted the envelope. It's a 9 by 12 envelope inside the pillow sham, and then the pillow sham actually came down a little bit longer, so I cut it off. And then I wanted to have ties on each side, so I made a strip and put it all underneath here, and then glued my insides on top of that, so that everything is very secure. And I added a pocket, and this is embroidered lace, so that's real pretty. And then I also made this envelope. I'm really enjoying having envelopes in the back of the journal. This is of course just vintage wallpaper, and it's a 8.5 by 11, and you just fold it up and then fold this way and then glue, and you've got your instant envelope. And I decorated it. This one's got a little bit of glitter on the tool that I put there. And this is a milliner flower, so it came off of a 1950s hat that I had purchased in an antique shop, and that's going to go right here. I haven't put it in yet, but that's where that's going to go. And that's what I've done so far. So thank you so much for watching today and joining me, and I sure hope that you enjoy the journey that we're on for this Barn Swallow journal. Okay, well that's it for me today. See you next time. Bye bye.